Stepfather of the boy, Kweku, provides direction to police officers who've been combing the bushes to find the exact location the little boy was buried. After almost 3 hours search, there is a big sigh of relief. Officers have dug up the remains of the boy. Everybody here looks overwhelmed by the stench emanating. It is unbearable, to say the least. The suspect and stepfather seem guilty, perhaps ashamed, as onlookers hoot at him whilst his judgment day approaches. Beatrice Edu, Joy News, Mile 7, Accra.